going to show you how to fix a nvim problem that I had. So I'm loading lazyvim, and I'm going to type a C for config, and you see an error message. So I did a grep on this part of the error message here, the unknown primary or operator, and it told me that I needed RG. So just to check that, I did running a check health, and now I'll look down for RG. RG. So you see warning RG not installed. Also FD, I don't even know what that is, but the thing told me RG maybe. So I'm on a Mac and I use brew to install things like this. So we'll just do that. There we go. Back in neovim, lazyvim, and I'll type a C for config. And there we go. There we go. Pretty nice.